Hi guys, it's me Azara on Kids Time with Azara, and today we're going to be seeing how to write in calligraphy. At first, I'll be writing the alphabets both in capital and in small in the calligraphy way. Calligraphy is mostly used for decorations, so you could write a quote and stick it on the wall of your room, or you could write a card and gift it to your friends and family. Writing calligraphy is very easy. All you have to do is write it in your own style. Calligraphy is useful for school-going students, so if you want to make a project, you can use calligraphy and make your handwriting beautiful. Calligraphy is used to give more impact and attract people to read a text, and it is often used in quotations. Calligraphy is a formal style of handwriting. People say that you have to use a calligraphy pen to make your handwriting look good, but it's not that way. You can use any ordinary pen and make it look great. You can make calligraphy however you want. Now let me show you how to write the letter A clearly. In calligraphy, we should always start with a curve. At last, I'm darkening the parts where the curve comes down. Now I'm going to be writing a sentence in calligraphy, and then I'm going to be giving it extra fillings so that it would look beautiful. Calligraphy is the art or practice of writing letters and words in a decorative style. I have completed writing the sentence. And now, as you can see, wherever a letter comes down, I have drawn a line near it. So after we draw the line, we have to color it in. If you cannot write calligraphy good, then you can get worksheets online and try writing on them. If you keep on practicing writing calligraphy every day, then soon you will come to know that you would have a good handwriting. That's all guys, this is how we should write calligraphy. Now I'm going to be showing my calligraphy works. I hope you liked my video and please try this out at home. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, share and don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you all in my next video. Goodbye.